Hi Disney nerds, Lori and Drew here. This video is a full POV ride-through of Peter Pan's flight in Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida.
Be sure to stick around till the end because we're going to show you what it looks like when Peter Pan's flight breaks down and becomes Peter Pan's no-fly zone. And if you're enjoying this video, it would be great if you would strike that like! Thank you so much.
Peter Pan's flight is inspired by Walt Disney's 1953 animated classic Peter Pan, which is based on J.M. Barrie's play and book of the same name about a 12-year-old boy who refuses to grow up. Located in Fantasyland, Peter Pan's flight is modeled after the classic ride at the Disneyland Resort in Southern California, one of the few remaining attractions that was operational on opening day in 1955.
The ride is a rail-suspended dark ride that uses forced perspective, so you feel higher up than you actually are. When you are flying over various scenes, especially when you are flying over London, you will notice that you feel like you are super high in the air. The ride vehicles actually only take you about 17 feet off the ground.
When the ride first opened, Peter Pan didn't actually make an appearance in the attraction. Originally, the concept was designed so you'd be experiencing the flight through Peter Pan's eyes.
Have you ridden Peter Pan's flight? What's your favorite animatronic? Leave a comment below and tell us about it. I think mine is that crafty devil Tick-Tock the crocodile who's always trying to eat Captain Hook. Now just sit back, relax, and enjoy this POV full ride-through of Peter Pan's flight at Magic Kingdom.
How's our day?
Oh, awesome. Oh, pixie dust, thank you.
Pixie dust, and off we go! Come on, everybody, here we go!
Thanks for riding with us on Peter Pan's flight. And now, as we promised, take a look at this footage of Peter Pan's flight during a lights-on breakdown. I hope your next flight goes more smoothly than this one. Thanks again for watching.